Hello friends, welcome to my channel Backend Bytes by Pratik. So in this video we will discuss more about special type of operator. So in the last session we will discuss about special type of between and operator and not between and operator. So in this video we will discuss about another important special type of operator, that is like operator and not like operator. So what do you mean by like operator? So like operator is nothing but it is a type of special operator which is used to compare the column value with text pattern. Means the column value present in a table are compared with a text pattern. So syntax of like operator, that is column name, then like operator, then text pattern. So Oracle SQL provides two important wildcard to specify search pattern that are replace and that are percentage and underscore. Percentage is used to replace 0 or any number of character. Then underscore is used to replace one character. So wildcard means any important character that should be provided by Oracle to specify search pattern. So how like operator performs? For better understanding, we take some important query so that you can easily understand how like operator performs. So display the employee records whose names are started with S. Means we want to display the employee record whose names starting letter is S. So how we write? We write like in this way, like select star from EMP, then where clause, then condition like E name, then like operator, then started with S means single quoted, then starting letter S, then percentage means replace any number of character, then semicolon. So we write like in this way to get required result as a output. Means percentage S means starting name S. So for that we use starting S. Then percentage means replace any number of character. That should be discussed in previous. So now we discuss another important query, that is display the employee record whose names are ended with S. So we write like in this way, like select star from EMP where then ename, then like operator ended with S means single quoted, then percentage replace any number of character, then ended with S, then single quoted, then semicolon. So we write like in this way to get required result as output. Second query is exactly opposite to the first query. In the first query, starting letter of a employee name is S, and in the second query, the employee name whose ending letter of name ended with S. Display the employee record whose names are started with A. So we write like in this way, like select star from EMP, then where clause, then condition ename, then started with A means then like operator, then started with A means starting A, then percentage that replace any number of character, then single quoted, then semicolon. So we can write like in this way to get required result as a output. Now we copy this query and execute, and do not write again and again, only modify for time consuming. Display the employee names whose names are ended with RD. So here we want to display the employee names whose employee name ended with RD. Means you have to change the ending name. Starting percentage means replace any number of characters. Then for ending purpose we use RD, then single quoted, then semicolon. So we write like in this way. Then execute the another query, that is display the employee records whose names are started and ended with S. For that we use started and ended. We write like this, like started and ended means not alike. So started and ended means starting letter and ending letter should change. So we write like this, like to remove this, and starting and ending letter means starting letter S and ending letter S. So we write like this. We replace this and we write like this, like then replace means starting S, then percentage, replace any number of character, then ending S, then single quoted, then semicolon. So we can write like this to get required result as a output. Now we execute the another query, that is display the employee names whose names are having four letter. So we write like this, like select star from EMP where e name like having four letter. We use four underscore because in the previous we discussed underscore replace one character. For replacing four underscore we use for replacing four character we use four underscore. But if we want to replace any number of character then we use percentage. But if you want to limited or countable character then we should use underscore. Now we execute the another query, that is display the employee record whose name's second character is A. So how we write? We write like in this way to get required result as a output, like select star from EMP where E name like where E name like start second character is A, means starting for one character we use replacing underscore, then second character A, then percentage to replace any number of character. Here first character means countable character, so that we replace by using underscore, then A, second character, then percentage means replacing any number of character. Now we execute the another query, that is display the employee records whose names are having A letter. A letter means starting any number of character, any letter, ending any letter, but between the starting and ending letter we want to display only a character, so must be present a letter. So how we write like this, like select star from EMP where e name like starting percentage means replace any number of character, then ending percentage means replace any number of character, but between the starting and ending letter a letter must be present. Now we want to execute another query, that is display the employee records who joined in the December month. So we write like this, like select star from EMP where e name like not e name, here we take higher date. Higher date like December month means in the month of December means starting any month. For that we replacing percentage, then December, then ending any month, replacing any month. For that we use percentage, then semicolon. Now we execute the another query, that is display the employee record who are getting 3-digit salary. So how we write? So we write like this, like select star from node EMP. Here we take select star from EMP where not ENM where salary. Salary like 3-digit means countable character should be replaced. For that we use 3 underscore to get required result is the output. Now we have to check practically this concept is execute or not and showing the same result or not. For that we want to open SQL plus. So open SQL plus. Then connect. Then system, enter username system. then password 1234, then hit enter. Successfully connected. Now set pages 200. Now set lines 200. Now we have to check the employee table present in our database or not. For that we use select star from EMP. So successfully data showing and also present in our database. Now we execute all the query one after another to check our theoretical concept are practically successfully showing the same result or not. For that, we execute the query one by one. So first of all, we execute the first query, that is display the employee record whose names are started with S. Means we have to write like this, like select star for from EMP where ename like operator, then starting letter S, then percentage to replacing any number of character, then single quoted, then semicolon, then hit enter. Four rows are selected, means for employee whose starting name, starting letter of name stood started with S, means Smith starting letter S, Scott starting letter S, Subham starting letter S, Sanju starting letter S. Now we execute the next query, that is display the employee record whose names are ended with S. So we write like this, like select star from EMP where E name, like it is the exactly opposite to the previous query. So ending S means percentage to replace any number of character, then ending S, then semicolon, then hit enter. Three rows are selected, means three employee whose names of ending letter S, Jones, Adams, James. Now we execute the next query, that is display the employee records whose names are started with A. So we write like this, like select star from EMP where E name like starting letter A means starting A, then percentage means replace any number of character, then hit enter. Two rows are selected, means two employee were in a company with employee name starting with A letter, that is Adams starting letter A, then Allen starting letter A. Now we execute the next query, that is display the employee names are ended with RT. So we write like this, like select star from EMP where E name like for starting letter single character we use one underscore. Then second character, that is second character. Sorry. Here we can take like names ended with RT, means if for starting replacing we use percentage for any number of character, then RT ending letter, then hit enter. Two rows are selected, means two employee who are in a company with name ending letter content RT word for. Now we have to check another query, that is display the employee records whose names are started and ended with S, means starting S and percentage for replacing any number of character, then ending S. So how we write? We write like in this way, like select star from EMP where E name like starting S, then percentage means replacing any number of character, then ending S, then single quoted, then semicolon, then hit enter. No rows selected means no employee that are selected, means no employee who are in a company with starting letter content S and ending letter content S. Now we have to check another query, that is display the employee names whose containing four letters. So how we write? We write like this, like select star from EMP where E name like uh, four digit. So for countable character, we want to replace by using underscore. So four letters we use four underscore, one underscore, two underscore, three underscore, four underscore. Then hit enter. Five rows are selected, means five employees are in a company with containing the four digit letter, four letters name. Now we have to check another query, that is display the employee record whose names is second character is A, means we have to write like this, like select star from emp where ename like second character is a, means starting character means 1, means countable character. For replacing starting character we use 1 underscore, then second character a, then replacing any number of character, for that we use the percentage, then hit enter. 6 rows selected means 6 employee work in a company with second letter, second character a. Now we have to check the another query, that is display the employee record whose names are having a letter. So we want to write like this, select star from emp where ename like percentage for any number of character, then a, then percentage for replacing any number of character, then single quoted, then semicolon, then hit enter. Means starting any number of letter in a name, then ending any number of letter in the name, but inside the starting and ending letter of a name of employee, a letter must should present. So hit enter. 10 rows are select. Now we have to check the another query, that is display the employee record who joined in December month, means in the month of December. So how we write, we write like this, like select star from emp where not ename where we take higher date like in the month of December. So before the December means starting any number of month, so that we use replacing percentage, and then ending any number of month we have to replace by percentage, then in the middle December month most should be present. So hit enter. 4 rows are selected means 4 employees are in the company in the who joined in the company with month of December. So Smith joined in 17th December 1980. Scott joined in a company with 9 December 1982. James joined in a company with 3 December 1981. Ford joined in a company in the month of December with 3rd December 1981. Now we execute the another query. This is the last query for the like operator, that is display the employee records whose are getting 3-digit salary. So how we write? We write like in this way, like select star from emp where not higher date where salary, then like operator, then for 3-digit means countable character we replace by using 3 underscore, that is 1 underscore 2 underscore 3rd underscore, then hit enter. So 2 rows are selected means 2 employee were in the company with salary taken 3-digit salary, like Smith contain 800 salary, then James contain 950 salary. So now we discuss another important special type of operator, that is not like operator. So not like operator is a special type of operator. It is exactly opposite to the like operator. So in the like operator, used to compare column value with text pattern, but not like operator. It is not used to compare column value with the text pattern. So for better understanding, you can take only one example so that you can easily understand how not like operator performs. So display the employee records whose names are not started with S, means we want to display the employee whose name not started with S, means any letter of starting letter of any letter of a employee name but not S. So how we write? So we write like this, like select star from emp where ename where ename, then not like operator, not like operator, then condition. What condition? That is not like starting with S, then single quoted starting S, then percentage for replacing any number of character, then single quoted, then hit enter. 7 rows are selected means 17 rows are selected, means 17 employed are worked in a company whose names not starting with S. So you can check Allen starting letter A, Ward starting letter A, O, W, John starting letter J, Martin starting letter M, Black starting letter B. Like that, all the employee name not started with S letter. So in this video, we completed successfully completed like operator and not like operator. That is enough for today. So in the next session, we will discuss another more important special type of operator. So please watch this video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.